Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So first, if we talk about what is speedometer in Google Maps. Speedometer is a feature that disables the current speed of your vehicle while you are driving in navigations. Basically, it uses GPS data to locate how fast you are moving. If you have not enabled this speedometer in Google Map, I will teach you how you can do that. So simply open your Google Map. Here you can see the profile option in the top. Click on that. Now you can see the setting option here. Click on that. Now look for navigation here. Here you can see the navigation option on the top. Click on that. Now in navigation, search for speedometer option. Some people can't find speedometer option in navigation. It's just because of their location. This option is not available in all countries and all regions. If you can't see here speedometer option, that means that this feature is not available in your country and in your region. Go and if I research here, McDonald's near. Now you can see that I have researched here McDonald's. Now for direction, simply click on start option here, and now you can see that
head east,
direction
then
has been applied.
turn right.
But here now you can't see the options so-called speedometer. So how you can enable that option? So for enabling that option, here you can see that I have applied direction for my destination here, but here you can see the speed option here just because we have not enabled the speedometer option here. So for enabling this speedometer option, scroll up and here you can see the option setting. In setting you can see that we have opened the navigation. Now here you have to scroll down and you can see the option. After turning speedometer option on, simply now go back to the map where you can see the direction, and now here you can see the option speedometer, and this will tell you about your speed and speed limit. Speedometer is used during navigations, and it tell you your GPS speed, and by just one glance at your phone you can know what's your speed, and it also give you warnings when you are crossing the speed limit. And simply this video was about how you can enable this speedometer option and how you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.